There are two kinds of traders in this world: traders that respect their risk and traders that don't even know how to spell risk. Can you guess which ones are most likely to succeed? In today's video, we'll discuss ways in which you can increase your profitability by reducing your risk. But first, the model of the day. Every successful trader on Wall Street has one thing in common. They are absolute masters at risk management. While having good risk management won't directly make you a millionaire, it will prevent sizable drawdowns and keep the amount of money you give back marginal, all of which will help mold you into becoming a millionaire. One of the most invaluable lessons you must learn as a trader is how to develop a trading plan. How long do I plan on holding this asset? When do I plan on taking profits? When and where do I add more risk? And most importantly of all, if the trade goes against me, when do I get out? Allowing a planned trade to turn into another, unplanned trade is a recipe for disaster, both figuratively and, probably, literally. Planned trades is what separates seasoned investors from degenerate meme stock investors, because a degenerate's only definition of risk is to pray and hope. Don't be the latter. But how would one go about implementing such risk parameters? One of the most beloved risk management tools in a trader's arsenal are stop losses, market, limit, and trailing stops. Stop losses can be a trader's best friend, because when used correctly and coupled with max loss at a broker level, can prevent blowups and reduce significant drawdowns. There are two main types of stops: mental and physical stops. Only the most disciplined traders should use mental stops because you have to be able to set your ego aside to pull the trigger. Physical stops, on the other hand, are absolutely mandatory if you're an undisciplined trader or trading volatile assets. You can set up triggers that will automatically close your position once a predetermined level is breached, but there is a distinct difference between some of them, so listen up. There are market stops, and then there are limit stops. With market stops, once your price target is breached, your order will be sent to be filled at the market price, which is usually the worst price. But this guarantees that you will get filled, but for a price that's out of your control. Conversely, if you use a limit stop, you can control the price and range where you're filled, but the downside is you may not get filled at all. Market stops are best used for volatile and unpredictable stocks, like low float and small cap stocks. Also keep in mind that stop losses do not work outside of regular market hours. Staying abreast with sector news and about a company's health is of paramount importance. Healthy, larger cap companies that trade slowly can suddenly become volatile after certain news is released or when the rumor mill starts churning. Trailing stops are a great tool for protecting your gains and is a great way to automate your profit-taking process, eliminating unchecked emotional trading. There's more to risk management than just predetermined stop losses. Market conditions play a titanic role in how you should approach risk. Diversification and dollar cost averaging are also excellent tools for risk management. Also, using derivatives like options and futures to help offset losses should also be considered when thinking about setting your risk parameters. No matter what tools you use, you're already becoming a better trader just by trying to control more of your risk.